Alright, in this video, got is a double cylinder Deadbolts, the Defiant. It's on a vacant property I just went and had to get into, and then this is all bent, so it wasn't working really good after I rekeyed it. So one of them's rekeyed, one of them's not. So I keyed one, not the other. And so I just replaced it. See if we can pick them open. And I went ahead and popped the clips halfway off on them, because if you take the clip all the way off and then pick it, you can accidentally pull the cylinder out and dump the top pins everywhere. But if you don't take it kind of halfway off, though, it's actually kind of hard to get it off without it being in the lock position. So, see, we can use top of the keyway here. And of course, using a 40,000th pry bar and a right-hand hook. So that one's picked. Didn't feel any spools in it. So usually these Defiants usually do have one spool in them, but then they sometimes they'll put it over the longest bottom pin though, which it kind of defeats the purpose of it even being a spool. If a pin is real long, like a 5 or a 6 pin, then the actual spool is above the shear line, so it's just ends up acting like a standard pin, which I've seen before on Defiant. So it's like they got it like half right. They put a spool in it, but don't put it in a spot where it actually would act as a spool. Okay, so I didn't feel any spool on that one either, so go ahead and pull the clips all the way off. Oh shoot. Turn it upside down here. These clips can be a pain, especially when they're unlocked. Okay, so that one's off. And turn this one upside down. And get that one off, okay. Yeah, I just want to see if there's a spool in these or not. It's just curiosity of mine here lately. So, and neither one of these are pinned to what they were from the factory, so it doesn't really matter where the spool is, so just dump it out. Okay, so this one doesn't even have a spool in it, so it's not surprising actually. Well, actually it is surprising. I thought there'd be one in it. So I'm pretty sure these are Defiant brand. They look exactly like it. So then on this one, no spools in that one either. So alright, this doesn't have any spools in it. So guess another video that's just pretty much a huge waste of the internet. And that's all for now. We will talk to everybody later.